We miss the pupils phenomenally when it comes to face-to-face teaching. However, they have responded incredibly well and adapted phenomenally quickly. The Welsh Government have provided an accelerated learning grant, which is a significant amount of investment, which schools up and down the country have very much appreciated. And it's enabled us to meet the demands of the curriculum and provide additional teaching support and welfare support for our pupils.
Online learning's taken a number of different forms here for us in Llanidloes High School. We've delivered and uploaded some asynchronous resources, whether that's worksheets or whether that's challenge tasks online. We've also been delivering an increasing number of live lessons.
It's not easy learning at home, and so just having that interaction with your teacher is really important, and it's really lovely for us as well to be able to see the pupils or hear them.
They've provided lots of opportunities to get taught from outside of the school. So one example is the MIT lessons we've been having with students from America. Those have been very engaging.
In physics, we had someone who's currently at Singapore University tell us more about the different types of circuits.
They've been giving feedback on the assignments, they've been giving responses to you, and they've even been phoning home, which has been really nice.
Their well-being is really high on our list of priorities because it's such a difficult time.
We've been given regular phone calls, and we can also reach out by email if we're struggling with something or need some extra help.
The support from the school has been faultless, fantastic. They've kept us informed of every decision.
We're doing our best to try to provide the nearest thing we can to face-to-face provision within school.
I would love it if maybe the tutorials could continue even after face-to-face lessons are allowed again.
I'd like to continue tutorials, hopefully, for the future, because they're really good.
They're really putting a lot of effort in and being creative in what they're doing, and that is great.